welcome to iQuanta. Today I'm going to tell you some announcement by Indrajit sir, the CEO and founder of iQuanta. We have just 100 days, approximately 100 days left for CAT, and we have come with a new kind of strategic sessions in which we'll be doing something which hasn't been done yet. So here we go. 25 fast track batch by iQuanta. And it says that, okay, now he says only 100 days are left for CAT 25. Some students recently started the preparation, some have completed the syllabus, and some want revision. So all those things, like, there can be multiple type of students. One who have completed the syllabus by the month of June, one who are almost midway, and one who have started. So all these students, if I combine them, we need to kind of push them so that everybody becomes is at the same page after, let's say, 40 or 50 days. So that's what the agenda of this is, and we'll be launching night classes. Now you will think that we already have night classes. 7 to 9 is the live class, and then 10 to 12 is the application class, but this will be from 12 to 2. Okay, so fast track batch night classes, it will be covering your entire CAT syllabus, and there'll be no fear of missing out due to your busy schedule. So there are people, in fact, I was looking at the data of our students. Around 65% of the students at iQuanta are working professionals. All right, and they normally miss out on the classes, sometimes live, sometimes application, and then they call me up, sir, what can I do? How to watch the recordings? There are a lot of lags are happening. And if you relate to that, just tell me in the comments if that has happened with you as well. So to just, to kind of to have a remedial solution, what we did, we planned, let's have night classes. Obviously, it's gonna be very difficult on faculty members, including myself. But then, okay, CAT is near, so let's do something which nobody has done yet. So if we'll be doing it, we'll expect that you guys will also be doing it. So it will be very effective especially for the CAT aspirants. The fee is 17,999, but the people who are already iQuanta students will be free of cost to them. Okay, now coming to the exact details of the batch, Quant, there will be 120 plus hours of live interactive sessions, which means 60 sessions, 1,000 plus recorded videos, 70 assignments. For VARC, it will be 80 plus hours of live interactive sessions, which comes around 40 sessions, 250 plus recorded videos, and 30 assignments. For LRDI, it's same as VARC, 80 plus hours of live interactive sessions, 300 plus recorded videos, and 30 assignments. Now, marathons and events, it will also be including marathons, like 10 plus mega marathon sessions. It will be arithmetic, algebra, geometry, LRDI, etc. 10 plus revision sessions, LRDI 70, in which the 70 sets which have been procured by Mr. Indrajit Singh himself, CAT 250 initiative, and RC series. In addition to that, will all be mocks will also be there. 35 full-length CAT mocks, 45 sectionals, like 15 mocks for each section, be it VARC, LRDI, or Quant. So overall, 45. If you combine them, it looks like you have 50 full-length mocks, right? Now, detailed video solution for each question in all mocks and sectionals. Error tracker, AI-based mock, strategy builders. When I say AI-based mock, so we have launched India's first AI-enabled mock platform in which the errors are tracked. Like, you track the errors, and after the AI tells you what has to be done, what are the strong points, weak points, remedial solutions, strategy builder, all those stuff will be there. The timings, as I told you earlier also, 12 midnight to 2 a.m., 6 days a week. And you know what? Now you'll be thinking that, can we do this much? These many sessions? Yeah, absolutely. It's a fast forward kind of thing. It'll push you towards the speed, and we start the crash course by mid-September. So this batch will merge with the crash course, and that is why it gives you an extra push and a quicker push. So you'll always be on the edge. That is the reason that we can have so many sessions. 6 days a week, 7 in the crash course. In the crash course, the timing will be different. Like, timing will be same as what we do. 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. will be live conceptual classes, and 10 p.m. to 12 midnight will be the application sessions. 2 days Quant, VARC, LRDI each. Crash course starts post mid-September. All right, but till then, I want you guys to be totally ready for the crash course, which is again a very fast-paced course. So now we have phases here: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1, the moment you enroll, you'll be getting 1,000 plus conceptual videos, which will be on Quant, VARC, LRDI, and also doubt solving. This starts the same day as you enroll. You have any doubts, over and under the sun in the ambit of CAT, you can just post it over there in our group and you will get the solutions. And then practice questions, there'll be 4,000 plus practice questions. The moment you enroll, you will get access to these many questions, which you can start right away. And you can also wait if you want to, kind of finish the syllabus first. Then coming to phase 2. So phase 2 is post mid-September, live classes will be starting CAT crash course. So here we'll be having more than 9 classes every week and 6 practice sessions every week. That happens in the phase 2 post mid-September, and from August to November, it's like iQuanta mock series, which is ongoing. So they'll be getting access to 35 full-length mocks. Obviously 7 mocks have happened already, but you can reattempt them. It will be available to you, just that they will be unproctored. Now phase 3 will be November. Marathons, 10 plus mega marathon sessions that include 4 plus marathon on Quant, 3 plus on VARC, and 3 on LRDI. In November, we'll also be having initiatives like workshops, which will be daily workshops in which we will be doing tons of practice. And November end will be CAT, obviously. 30th November is CAT. So CAT happens on last Sunday of every November. This time it's 30th. So we have a lot of time, right? I won't say a lot of time, but yeah, the entire November is what we have. Night classes for busy professionals and those starting late, timing 12 to 2 a.m., rigorous live sessions, 24/7 instant doubt solving, covering entire syllabus in just 100 days. Join the night batch, fast track your CAT 2025 prep. Enroll now, and you want to, kind of know details of these courses, you want to talk to us, talk to anyone from our team, you can just go to the link, click over there, and start interacting. See you in the classes. Thank you.